this x-ray, and I'll give you a few moments to look at it first. You could pause the video for now. See if you see the abnormality. Okay, so for those of you who have seen it, well done. So the abnormality is in the right lung. If you look at the left lung, it's clear. You can see the lung shadows and the ribs and the heart margin and diaphragm, but there's no abnormality in the left lung. But on the right side, there is an abnormality. It's kind of very hard to see. It's a nodule, and it's overlying the rib, but the rib does not seem to be eroded, and it's possibly pleural based because it's concave in margin. Let's draw a picture there. So it's a drawing arrow there. That's the nodule there. So it's quite well defined. It could be a benign lesion such as a hamartoma, or it could be a lesion in the ribs, or even in the lungs themselves, or something on the chest, maybe in the breast tissue or the wall of the thorax. So in this case, a CT was done just to have a closer look at the mass. So that's a CT there, and you can see the mass isn't actually in the rib, and it's eroding the rib. So let's look back at the x-ray now. So if we look at the lesion in the rib, it's a round lesion. It's soft tissue. It's very aggressive because it's going right through the chest wall, so it's probably metastatic. It could be a primary bone lesion as well, such as a sarcoma. So let's look again at the chest x-ray and see what happened with the rib. So we look closer at the rib now. Okay, the posterior rib is there, but we cannot see the anterior rib. So we have one rib there, but the anterior rib, the fifth rib on the right side, is gone. So that's the erosion of the rib. So that can give you a clue as to where the lesion is, that the lesion is anterior and not posterior. If we look at the lung window, there's nothing much to see. You can see that the mass is outside the lung, but pushing into the lung. So the diagnosis is a metastatic rib lesion. That's your diagnosis.